Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Natain Company with our product name Pet Care. So we have three members in this group. First, me, Rizky Ananda, CEO, and then Aditya Dava, CFO, and Irfan Rudiansas as CTO. And then we have question and response. First question is number of respondents that we are interviewed. There is 10 respondents. Then the second question is how many of them agreed that the problem identified is a pain point and they absolutely need a solution to it. And the response is six respondents agreed. And the third question is how many of them said that they are managing to address the problem and don't really need another solution. And then three respondents agreed. And the fourth question is describe in general the demographic of the customer who agreed that they badly need a solution to the problem you have identified. Many of them need because they didn't have time. And the last question is how many of them said that they are managing to address the problem and don't really need another solution. And the response is using their smartphone for calling the groomer for treating their pet. Then we have value proposition canvas. In the value proposition side, as game creator, we have provide a place to find a friends and also a partner for your pet. And also provide features about health, like we can consult to a veterinarian and also we can buy a medicine for your pet. A pet care is an application to find a friend or partner for your pet and also to provide pet owner to find a happy pet to support pet. And then make an application to find a friend or partner for your pet and also help find the nearest pet shop or pet. And then in our customer profile site, we have get help to find the nearest pet shop or pet, and then get a friend or partner for a pet. The customer job that we aim to is office worker who don't have much time at and buy what their pet needs and go to pet. And then no time to play with your pet and didn't have time to go to pet shop or vet. And the solution that we propose is the problem that we identified as worth solving is that we want to solve is good in all aspects, both in terms of food, goods, health of the pet. We found that approximately 60% of the customers that we interviewed are facing this problem. How is the customer addressing the problem today? Customer always spend time for going to pet shop or asking their family or their friends. How will your solution make the customer life better? We made many features starting in terms of the need of the pet themselves, both from food, we made health and other needs. We made one feature for animal lover to be able to socialize with each other. Then we made the application display so that it is easy to understand at all age. In terms of service for a month, we are targeting around 10 to 20,000 rupiah per month, with the additional cost of working with a pet shop and a veterinarian that is not too expensive. Then we have a business model. The problem is many animal lovers don't have time to put their pet necessities or to vet or going to vet. Many animal lovers only know one or two pet shops around. And some animal lovers want to find pro animal lovers or even want to find a match for their pet. And the solution is provide features to consult with a veterinarian or schedule a visit with a veterinarian. And then work closely with local driver to deliver pets safely and comfortably. And the last one is cooperate with local pet shop. And then we have unique value proposition. We have many features to meet the needs of pet lovers. And then cooperate with pet shop with radius of 10 kilometers from application user. And also work with local driver to pick up your pets if you don't have time to go by yourself. And has to feature to find a fellow animal lover or to find a match for a pet. And then we have unfair advantage. Ordering is bigger than payment. The project through an online system that is full automated. And then the customer segment is pet owner, animal lover, and pet shop owner. The key metric is consistently update application, cooperate with more pet shop, vet from time to time, maintain user confidently, and channel is application, social media platform, example is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or anything else. And the last one is cost structure, app cost and people cost. The revenue structure subscription fee per user is 10,000 to 20,000 per month.
Ya, dari kompetitor analis, kami ingin memberikan beberapa contoh dari beberapa kompetitor kami, yaitu Vitus Pet, lalu Eleven Pets, Pet Care, lalu Pet Love, Pet Shop Online. Di sini ada beberapa segi yang kita tekankan, yaitu UVP, lalu price, lalu branding, dan market review. Dikarenakan market review kami belum ada, karena aplikasi kami belum rilis, jadi kami ingin memberikan beberapa contoh keunggulan kami dalam segi harga. Ya ini pada bulan pertama ialah sekitar 20.000, lalu dalam segi harga lagi kami bulan selanjutnya kami menargetkan sekitar 15.000 per bulan. Selanjutnya beberapa chart yang ingin kami tunjukkan. Kami di sini menang dalam segi feature, lalu dalam segi price dan segi size. Size di sini kami ada di tengah-tengah, tidak terlalu berat. Lalu dalam segi price kami merasa kami paling murah. Lalu dalam segi feature kami ingin memberikan feature yang paling banyak di antara semuanya. Next. Dalam segi prototype di sini ada demo atau description. Di sini kami memberikan fitur untuk konsul dengan dokter hewan atau membuat schedule dengan dokter hewan. Lalu bekerja dengan local driver untuk mengantarkan hewan peliharaan dengan aman dan nyaman. Lalu bekerja sama dengan local pet shop. Learningnya kami menemukan beberapa animal lovers tidak punya waktu untuk memberi keperluan ataupun ke dokter hewan. Lalu banyak animal lovers juga hanya tahu 1 atau 2 pet shop di sekitarnya. Lalu beberapa animal lovers juga tidak menemukan animal lovers lainnya gitu untuk dapat berbincang sedikit. Lalu dalam segi MVP, demo atau description-nya ialah fitur. Kami mempunyai beberapa fitur untuk menemukan animal lovers lainnya. Lalu kami bekerja sama dengan lokal dokter hewan di sekitar si user. Lalu kami bekerja sama dengan local driver untuk mengantarkan hewan peliharaan tersebut. Learning-nya itu penting untuk kita menunjukkan bahwa fitur kami itu lebih banyak dibandingkan yang lain. Lalu MVP kami itu berasal dari bisnis model yang kita lakukan. Lalu kami bersama memberikan beberapa fitur yang sangat penting di produk kami menggunakan tools dan jasa kami. Lalu untuk kriteria MVP-nya, beberapa fitur mempunyai manfaat untuk menemukan beberapa pet shop dan pet lover lainnya. Lalu bekerja sama dengan dokter hewan lokal, lalu bekerja sama dengan driver lokal. Selanjutnya. Berikut merupakan salah satu contoh prototipe atau tampilan produk kami. Nanti jika sudah jadi akan seperti ini untuk dalam segi tampilan dan beberapa dalamnya, dalam segi menunya. Lalu selanjutnya.
In the next is basic financial plan in pet care application. Di sini financial yang ada di apps pet care. Untuk summary-nya ini sales-nya itu sebanyak 6 million and the total is 6 million and profit we can get minus 20.3 million and the break-even is 10 and 75 and the payback period per month can get for about minus 2.86 and the contribution for about 2 million %. Next. Nah, untuk sales plan-nya, untuk target market di sini pemilik hewan dan pecinta hewan di daerah kompleks usernya. Lead-nya pemilik hewan peliharaan berjenis mamalia maupun reptil. Untuk opportunities or prospects itu adalah pemilik hewan peliharaan tidak semua mempunyai waktu untuk membeli keperluan hewan peliharaannya. Dan untuk customer-nya itu adalah pemilik hewan peliharaan yang sibuk dan pecinta hewan. Next. Untuk marketing and sales-nya, di marketing and sales ini, we cooperate with animal content creators and are active through social media for marketing. And also in marketing and sales ini, we collaboration with trusted pet shop and vet. Next. And this is called team commitment. This our practice manager name is Petcare, and this is our logo, Petcare. Team member names R3 are Rizky Ananda, Aditya Dava, and Irfan Nudiansyah. The first is Rizky Ananda in the background, team leadership and decision-making skills. And the role is CEO because keep learning habit and abilities to get things done. Second is Aditya Dava, background, good communication skills and managerial skills. The role is CFO because proper knowledge of the consumer market. And the last is Irfan Nudiansyah. In background is ability to handle pressure and work under a tight deadline and passion of data analysis. The role is CTO because good analytical skills. Next. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.